I tried SecuX W20 app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first unboxed the SecuX W20 and paired it with its companion app, I expected a standard hardware wallet experience. But after 7 days of testing, the shocking truth is that the SecuX W delivers premium level security without the usual frustration that comes with most hardware wallets. On day 1, setup was smooth. The device connected via Bluetooth and USB, and the app immediately recognized it. Within minutes, I created my first wallet and backed up my recovery phrase. The interface was clean, guiding me step by step, ideal even for beginners. By day 2, I started managing assets. The SecuX W supports over 1,000 coins and tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and major W20 assets. Everything was organized neatly inside the app, and the syncing process was fast and accurate. Most people get this wrong. They think hardware wallets are clunky and slow, but the SecuX W changes that with an intuitive touchscreen and fast transaction signing. It combines security and usability in a way that feels effortless. Midweek, I put it to the test. I tried sending crypto from multiple accounts, verifying addresses directly on the device's bright display. That extra step of visual verification adds a crucial layer of safety. No chance of sending funds to a wrong or compromised address. By day 5, I tested its portability. The Bluetooth feature let me connect securely to my phone and manage funds on the go, which is rare for hardware wallets. After 7 days, the shocking truth became clear. The SecuX W isn't just another hardware wallet, it's a serious security upgrade that feels modern, fast, and user-friendly. If you want peace of mind without giving up convenience, the SecuX W might be the perfect balance between safety and simplicity.